Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to games. First, ensure you have an active PayPal account with a verified email address. Next, we will explore the common methods for linking your PayPal to popular gaming platforms like Steam, PlayStation Store, or Xbox Live. This process typically involves navigating to the payment settings within your chosen gaming service and selecting PayPal as a payment option. We will cover the essential steps to get you set up quickly and securely. To link your PayPal account, begin by logging into your gaming platform of choice, whether it is a console store or a PC client. Navigate to the Account Settings or Payment Methods section, which is usually found under your profile. Look for an option to add a new payment method and select PayPal from the list. You will then be redirected to the PayPal website to securely log in and authorize the connection, typically a one-time process. Confirm the link to complete this step. Once your PayPal account is linked, making purchases becomes incredibly simple. When you are ready to buy a new game, an expansion pack, or in-game currency, proceed to the checkout page. Select PayPal as your payment method. You might be prompted to confirm the transaction directly through a PayPal pop-up or redirection, ensuring an extra layer of security. After confirmation, the purchase is usually processed within seconds, and your new content will be available for download or use immediately. For optimal security, always enable two-factor authentication on your PayPal account. This adds an extra layer of protection, requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. Regularly review your PayPal transaction history to quickly spot any unauthorized purchases. Furthermore, use strong, unique passwords for both your PayPal and all your gaming accounts. These simple steps help keep your financial information safe and your gaming experience worry-free, protecting against potential issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.